Hi everyone. Well, I got my room cleaned up as much as I could do tonight, and I think I did pretty well actually. It's just um, there's just some things that still need to find a place, and it's just going to take a little bit more time. A lot of that stuff is going to have to go somewhere else. I do not want to have that in the middle of my floor. But at least now I can get around in here a whole lot better than I could before. So I'll just show you that it's pretty much like before, except now I've got a drum kit in here. And now, let's see. I kind of pan around here and there and everywhere. And of course this. Oh, you see my channel. I was just looking at different things on it. But anyway, so I wanted to show you that what I did with what I added on to this. I added on it's kind of like a fabric flip here, and that's just an image I stamped onto muslin. So anyway, yeah, I think it looks pretty cool there. So I just wanted to show that to you. And I didn't add anything to these. Alrighty, well, it's getting kind of late here, and I gotta, kind of wind down a little bit so I can get some sleep tonight, so I can wake up refreshed tomorrow and go to work. And but I'm hoping that I will not wait as long the next time to upload a video to actually create, because I do enjoy creating. It's just that it just takes a little bit of time to get things going. Alrighty, so I'm going to bid you adieu and have a good night. Have a wonderful day tomorrow and have a good crafty day. All right, please give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you around again sometime. Alrighty, good night.